Welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to unlock the secret to feeling energized, youthful, and healthier than ever before? You don't need pills or expensive supplements, just a trip to your grocery store. In today's video, we're revealing 5 powerful superfoods that can transform your health, from boosting immunity to improving your heart, brain, and even your skin. Stay tuned, because 3 is something you're probably overlooking. 1. Blueberries, the antioxidant powerhouse. Small but mighty, blueberries are one of the most nutrient-dense fruits on the planet. They're packed with antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, the compounds that give them their deep blue color. Brain health. Studies show that regular consumption of blueberries can improve brain function and delay age-related decline. A Harvard study even linked blueberry intake with slower cognitive aging by up to 2.5 years. Heart benefits. These berries help lower blood pressure and reduce LDL cholesterol levels, which are major contributors to heart disease. Immune boost. Rich in vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, blueberries also support a strong immune system and help your body fight inflammation. How to eat them. Add them to your morning oatmeal, smoothies, or just snack on them fresh. Frozen blueberries are just as nutritious, so you can enjoy them year-round. Quick tip: aim for at least half a cup per day for optimal benefits. 2. Avocados, the healthy fat you need. Next on the list is everyone's favorite creamy fruit, the avocado. Often misunderstood as fattening, avocados are actually full of heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Heart health. Avocados help reduce bad cholesterol LDL and increase good cholesterol HDL, reducing the risk of heart disease. Eye health. They contain lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that protect your eyes from harmful blue light and reduce the risk of macular degeneration. Skin and hair. The healthy fats and vitamin E in avocados nourish your skin, fight aging, and give your hair a natural shine. Weight management. Despite being calorie-dense, avocados are rich in fiber, keeping you full longer and reducing cravings. How to enjoy. Mash it into guacamole. Add slices to your toast or salad, or blend it into smoothies for a creamy texture. Did you know? One avocado contains over 20 essential vitamins and minerals, including potassium, folate, and magnesium. 3. Salmon, the omega-3 king. If you're looking for a food that supports your brain, heart, joints, and skin, salmon is the answer. It's one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which your body can't produce on its own. Brain function. Omega-3s in salmon, EPA and DHA, are crucial for brain health. They've been shown to reduce symptoms of depression, improve memory, and protect against cognitive decline. Cardiovascular benefits. Eating salmon regularly can reduce triglycerides, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart attacks. Anti-inflammatory. Omega-3s combat inflammation, the root cause of many chronic diseases, including arthritis and diabetes. Glowing skin. These fats also hydrate and nourish your skin from within, helping reduce dryness and signs of aging. How to eat it. Grilled, baked, pan-seared, or raw in sushi. The options are endless. Aim for 2 servings per week of wild-caught salmon for maximum benefits. Pro tip: pair salmon with leafy greens and olive oil for a perfect superfood-powered meal. 4. Spinach, the leafy green superstar. When it comes to superfoods, spinach deserves a standing ovation. This dark leafy green is low in calories, but incredibly rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Bone strength. Spinach is high in vitamin K, which helps your body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. Iron and blood health. Iron helps your body make red blood cells, and spinach is a plant-based source that's especially important for vegetarians and vegans. Anti-cancer properties. Spinach contains chlorophyll and flavonoids, compounds that may help block carcinogens and reduce the risk of cancer. How to eat it. Toss spinach into smoothies, saute it with garlic, or use it as a base for your salads and bowls. Important tip: pair spinach with vitamin C-rich foods like tomatoes or citrus fruits to boost iron absorption. 5. Sweet potatoes, the nutrient-packed comfort food. Last but definitely not least, sweet potatoes. These naturally sweet root veggies are a powerhouse of nutrition and can satisfy your comfort food cravings in a healthy way. Vision protection. Sweet potatoes are rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which protects your eyesight and supports immune health. Mental focus. The complex carbs in sweet potatoes release energy slowly, helping you stay alert and focused without the sugar crash. Gut health. They're high in fiber, which supports healthy digestion and feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. Immunity and skin. Beta-carotene also acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping prevent skin damage and supporting your immune system. How to enjoy. Bake them, mash them, roast them with olive oil and herbs. They're versatile and delicious. They're even great in desserts like sweet potato pie or pancakes. Quick nutrition fact. One medium sweet potato provides over 400% of your daily vitamin A needs. Conclusion. Power your life with superfoods. And there you have it. 5 incredible superfoods that can improve your health, boost your energy, and even help you look younger. Recap. Blueberries for antioxidants and brain power. Avocados for heart health and radiant skin. Salmon for essential omega-3s. Spinach for bone strength and blood health. Sweet potatoes for immunity and digestion. Start by adding just 1 or 2 of these foods into your daily meals, and you'll notice the difference in how you feel and look. Eating healthy doesn't have to be hard. It just needs to be intentional. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking to improve their health naturally. What's your favorite superfood? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode filled with smart, science-backed wellness tips.